Welcome to the Crochet Channel, the best place in the world to learn crochet online. It's great you are here today because it is always a great day to crochet.
In this video, I will show you how to crochet sunflower bookmark.
If you like crochet or chocolate, or you just want to be a nice person, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your Crochet Channel videos. Yay! First of all, we are going to learn the basics of crochet stitches. So to begin, you will need to create a slip knot. You're done! And then crochet a chain. Next, let's move on to crochet a slip stitch. Next, crochet single crochet. Next, crochet half double crochet. Next, crochet double crochet. And the last one, crochet treble crochet. These are the crochet stitches you need to know. If you are ready, let's get started on the exciting crochet project.
The materials I will use today are 4-ply cotton yarn, 2.5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors, U-hook glue, and tape measure. This is so exciting! Let's get started! Before you begin, you will need to create a magic circle. And then crochet chain 1. Next, crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6 single crochet stitches, and then gently pull the tail tighten. Next, join the first round by crochet slip stitch in the first single crochet. There you go! Now I have created the first round. Next, the second round, crochet chain 1, and then crochet 2 single crochet increase for 6 times. 1, 2. This create the first time. 1, 2. Second time. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with 2 single crochet increase for 6 times, and then I have 12 single crochet stitches and crochet slip stitch at the first single crochet to join the second round. Now I have finished with the second round. Next, for the third round, chain 2 yellow yarn. Yarn over and then pull it through, and then gently pull it tighten, and then simply cut the brown yarn. Next, crochet chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, crochet 1 treble crochet in the first single crochet, yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the 2 loops left, yarn over, pull it through. Next, crochet chaining 2, 1, 2, and then crochet slip stitch at the first chain, this one, crochet slip stitch, and then crochet chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then crochet slip stitch at the same stitch, the first single crochet, and crochet slip stitch in the second single crochet. So we will repeat this process all the way around for 12 times. So I will show you one more time. So first, thread chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then crochet 1 treble crochets, yarn over twice, and then insert the hook in the same single crochet. Next, crochet chaining 2, 1, 2, and crochet slip stitch at the first chain. Next, crochet chaining 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and crochet slip stitch in the second single crochet. There you go, and then slip stitch in the next stitch. So keep repeating this process all the way around until the end for 12 times total. Keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with 12 times. And then I will join the third round. So crochet slip stitch from this one, the first single crochet, crochet slip stitch, and then chaining 1. Next, simply cut the yarn and fasten off, pull it through. Now I have finished with the sunflower, and then at the back I have to weave in all ends. So we will weave in all ends with yarn needle. Now I have finished with my sunflower. Next I will crochet this one. So first create a slip knot. And then crochet chaining 50. 1, 2, 3. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with chaining 50. Next, crochet 1 single crochet in the second chain from your hook. And then crochet 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Next, crochet 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet. Next, crochet 2 slip stitches. 1, 2, and then turn your work and crochet in the opposite side. by crochet 1 slip stitch into the first slip stitches. Yarn over, pull it through. Next, crochet 1 single crochet in the same single crochet. Next, crochet 1/2 double crochet and 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Next, crochet 1 single crochet, and then join the leaf by crochet slip stitch in the first single crochet and insert to the chain and crochet slip stitch. There you go. Next, crochet chaining 20. 1, 2, 3. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with chaining 20. So next, crochet 1 more leaf. Repeat from the first leaf. So crochet 1 single crochet and then 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and crochet 1/2 double crochet and 1 single crochet, 2 slip stitches, 1 and 2. Then turn your work. So crochet 1 slip stitch at the first slip stitch and crochet 1 single crochet in the same single crochet. Next, crochet 1/2 double crochet and then crochet 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and crochet 1 single crochet and join the leaves. So this chain will be, the leaf will be the same size, so we need to twist to make it on opposite side and then insert the 1 single crochet and insert the chain from the back, yarn over, go through and crochet slip stitch. Next, crochet chaining 10, 1, 2, 3. So keep continuing and see you when you are finished. Now I have finished with chaining 10. So for the tail, we will make a tassel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, attach to the sunflower from the back, this one. Now I have finished with my sunflower bookmark.
Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out the Crochet Channel for lots of exciting, easy, and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.